Creating and editing climate schedules in your Crestron smart home is a very straightforward process. Let's click the Crestron Pyng app to get started. From the home page, press the Climate button, or if you don't see a Climate button, press the Menu button, which is the little horizontal lines in the bottom left corner, and then select and press the Climate icon. So now we can see a drop-down menu with all of the thermostats in the home. In this case, there's one thermostat for the entire downstairs and another one for the entire upstairs. We can easily control the temperature settings from here, but what we want to do is set up some scheduled events. In the bottom left corner, we see Next Scheduled Event. Right below that, we can see there are none set up yet. Let's press on None. Now we see every scheduled event for this particular thermostat. These are the default scheduled events: wake, leave, return, and sleep. At this point, we can add, remove, rename, or modify any of these to your liking. Let's go ahead and modify the wake scene to match our lifestyle. Press the pencil icon, and then we can see the event time for wake is 8 a.m. But that's way too late for our house. So let's change that to 6 a.m. because people start waking up at 6:30. Now let's set the days of the week. We don't get up that early on Saturday and Sunday, so let's uncheck the boxes for Saturday and Sunday. Next, we want to set the heat set point, which is the red number in the middle. Right now, it's on 68. We want the house a little warmer before we get out of bed, so let's bump it up to 70. Now let's adjust the cooling set point, which is the blue number on the left. Let's bump that down to 72. Now that we have the set points where we want them, let's make sure the event status checkbox is checked, and then press Save. Back on the Schedules page, we can see that the scheduled event for wake is enabled, which is indicated by the brighter text. Conversely, the text for the leave, return, and sleep scheduled events is dimmer, which indicates they're disabled. So the top one right now is the only one that's enabled. At this point, I can press the pencil again and modify this schedule further, or I can start over with a new schedule by pressing the trash can icon to delete this one. Let's press the arrow in the lower right corner to go back to run mode. We see at the bottom left that the next scheduled event will be the wake event I just created. At this point, you may want to set up different times and scheduled events for other thermostats in the house. Just repeat this simple process.